Welcome to part 2 of cleaning my art area, and we're going to get straight into it because my last video the kids said I talked way too much in the beginning, and I kind of have to agree with them. So I am just going to go with my feet on the ground and start running. Okay, I hope this inspires you and enjoy the show. So these shells were extremely hard to get separated, and when I say they were hard, I mean I had to use my literal lead strength just to get them apart. So you know they're good quality if they take that much effort to get them separated. But anyway, here I'm going to be showing my husband's staff that he made, and it's just a really quick view of my husband's artistic abilities, and I just wanted to show him off real quick. As you'll be able to tell, I like to organize my stuff in different project areas. So this one section will be for my paper crafts, and this other section or other shelf will be for my painting. Also, I do apologize for this video. I forgot to flip it when editing, and I wasn't able to fix it. And but it will be fixed as of now. You're going to be able to figure out here soon that I reorganize things over and over and over again, and that's okay because I'm trying to get it to work for me, and if something doesn't work, I gotta fix it. I believe that if you have a space that's meant for inspiring creativity, you gotta do what works for you, and sometimes you may have to redo it over and over again, and if that's the case, don't let it get you down. You're going to have it work for you. But anyway, in this next clip, I just wanted to show off these little jars that I'm planning on using for some bookmarks that I want to make. And I just thought they were so cool. They have actual glitter in them, and I'm so excited to use them. I hope you guys like them as much as I do. And I found them at Hobby Lobby if you're looking for something like that. So yeah. But I love organizing things this way, and it gets me so excited. I'm weird. I like to do laundry, and I love to fold, and if that tells you anything, I guess it does. But anyway, we all have that one chore that just helps motivate us to do more, and this is that. And so, anyway, I'm gonna have a tea break, and yeah. Need a little quick distraction for a kitty, and this is Steve. We affectionately call him our porch cat because we found him underneath our porch one time just after Christmas, I believe, and he's been with us ever since. He's very affectionate and very sweet, and he spends most of his time outside, but at night he likes to come in and get cuddles and lovin's, and he's such a wonderful kitty, and we're so blessed to have him. So, enjoy your kitty break. So we are on the home stretch of getting my art area finally finished and completed. And I have just a little bit longer to go. And this is what we're dealing with right now. As you can tell, my desk gets pretty messy all the time. And so I gotta keep up on it. But the goal today is to get a nice clean area so that we can start getting more art videos out and enjoying time together. I am so stoked. Everything is not exactly how I want it to be, but like I said, the goal is to get a good area cleaned so that I can start creating more artwork, and most of my stuff is in a good place where I can find it and be able to pull it out as I need it. So we're gonna get that done. And if you want to continue tagging along, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it motivates you, and I hope it gives you some inspiration. So let's get going. Well, we've reached the end of our time together. I hope this has inspired you a little bit to get your own art area or creative space cleaned and organized. And if it hasn't, then I hope you enjoyed a relaxing moment of me actually getting things dealt with. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you, and be inspired.